Hey guys, how you doing? This is my lunch and this is toast with butter on it, and this is chicken wings. I think they're spicy chicken wings. They're really nice. They're not too spicy. And then you got doner kebab, which is a bit burnt. But yeah, this is my lunch. What you just saw looks strange, but it was my dinner on Friday, and it was indeed, in fact, wache, which is basically rice and peas. If you've eaten like Jamaican rice and peas, but I think wache is so much better, and it's the Ghanaian version. That with chicken stew and a bit of spaghetti. So, and the sauce that I always talk about called shita. So that's like a chili pepper sauce. So yeah, that was my dinner on Friday. That clip, I'm trying to show you the smoothie I made for my journey back to London, and it's a beetroot, carrot mixed with lemon juice and a bit of the beetroot juice. It's a smoothie, and it's really nice. That's the pinkish thing that you just saw. So that's the moi moi that I was talking about. Basically it's beans, a special type of pepper, red pepper, mixed with a lot of other stuff as well, that makes that nice red colour. And my mum put in some seasoning, you know, and then she put in a boiled egg inside it, so it's a little surprise when you open it. And I believe the one I was eating had corned beef as well inside, and it had frankfurters, like sausages, smoked sausages, which was so tasty. I had that for breakfast today, which is Saturday. So this has been, I think it's been Friday and Saturday's vlog. Yeah, I believe it has been, because I made sure I uploaded Thursday's vlog, which wasn't really much to vlog anyway, but yeah, so Friday and Saturday, didn't really do much, but hey, thought I'd vlog it anyway. So yesterday, Friday, what did I do? Just chilled at home, spent some quality time with my mum and my brother, tried to do some work, which I managed to get through some of it. When I come home, my work is done a bit slowly. If I do any work, it's not really it doesn't progress that much, but I'm gonna try to do as much as I can before I go home. I mean, go back to Swansea. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. So Friday was a cool day, chill out day, didn't go out. Saturday, what did I do? Basically today, I count it as Saturday still because it's 2 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. If I haven't slept yet, to me it's still, that we're still in that day. So today, what did I do? Woke up as usual. Oh, my mum made this food called moi moi, and it's lovely, tasty. I'll put like, there's a clip before this showing it, but I'll explain what it is in more detail. Basically, it's like a pastry, I guess, but it's not really because it's not made out of flour. But you can eat it with like porridge or like a soft drink for breakfast or as a snack. It's really nice and tasty, and it's not sweet, it's savoury, but it's quite spicy as well, and it's tasty, and I'll tell you guys what's in it and more about it in that clip, but which explains in more detail. But yeah, that's pretty much what the highlight of today was. Yeah, didn't really do much today either, but spent time with family again, and we'll be going back to Swansea on Monday. So, bit sad about that, but hey guys, I'm gonna end Friday and Saturday's vlog. Just always remember to be happy, be positive, don't let anyone or anything bring you down, and comment, share, like this vlog if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.